Hello, it's Thursday, November the 4th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar fell against most major currencies as the Fed revealed it would buy $600 billion of Treasuries under a policy known as quantitative easing. Interest rate remained at 0.25%, and the ADP non-farm employment change came out better than expected at 43,000 versus 21,000 forecast. Crude strengthened by 1%, closing at $84.69 a barrel, and gold closed at $1,337.60 an ounce. The euro rose to a 9-month high versus the dollar after the Federal Reserve said it would pump more money into the economy. The euro-dollar is meeting strong resistance at 0.4050. If it stays above this level, the momentum will continue to be bullish. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 139.92 and a high of 141.91. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain at 1%. The pound gained versus the dollar and the euro after growth showed growth in the UK. Services unexpectedly accelerated in October, and overall the pound-dollar traded with a low of 160.07 and a high of 161.76. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain at 0.50%. The yen weakened from its 15-year high against the dollar as signs that the worldwide economic recovery is gathering momentum boosted Asian shares, sapping demand for the Japanese currency as a refuge. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.60 and a high of 81.58. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This advanced for a fifth day as stocks rose following the Federal Reserve's announcement, encouraging demand for assets related to economic growth. Support of the daily chart is located at 1. If the dollar CAD breaks below this level, a short position is preferred. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 100.45 and a high of 101.57. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.